Chào cô thơ, hôm nay tập ngày 3 tháng 8 2016 về New York. When does the train leave? It leaves at 5:30 p.m. When does the train leave? The train departs in an hour. When does the train leave? It left 10 minutes ago. When does the train leave? It leaves 5:30 p.m. When does the train leave? It left 10 minutes ago. When does the train leave? It left at 5:30 p.m. When does the train leave? The train departs in an hour. When does the train leave? It left 10 minutes ago. When does the train leave? It left 5:30 p.m. When does the train leave? The train departs in an hour. When does the train leave? It left 10 minutes ago. When does the train
Con chào
leave?
con được tập tin nhau ngày 3
It
tháng
left
8 bài game bài
at
tổng hợp
5:30 p.m. When
mình sắp
does
tụi đi hỏi
the train leave? The train departs
cô
in
chị vai
an
chị vai chị
hour.
ai
When does the train leave? It left 10 minutes ago. When does the train leave? It left
When the
at
first day in November
5:30 p.m.
21st,
When
what's your
does the
name
train
and
leave?
distance time? Which
The train
color you
departs
prefer? I
in
prefer
an hour.
green.
When does the train leave?
Which color you
It
prefer?
left 10 minutes ago.
Is that
When
cream
does-
or my favorite?
When does the train leave? It leaves at
Which color you
5:30
prefer?
p.m.
I like maroon.
When does the train leave? The train
color
departs
what
in an
time?
hour. When
It
does
is
the
now.
train leave?
It's almost night. What
It
kind
left
of books
10 minutes
what
ago.
kind
When does
of
the train
music
leave?
you like listening to
It
now?
left at 5:30 p.m.
What time
When does
is
the
it
train
now?
leave? The train departs
Here.
in an hour. When does the train leave? It
it's
left 10 minutes ago.
19.
When does the train leave?
Here.
It left at 5:30 p.m.
Oh,
When
nine.
does the
What's your
train leave?
name?
The train departs
And
in an hour. When does the train
how come
leave?
the please call me my
It's
phone
left
battery first
10 minutes
first
ago.
how far the
When
school from here
does
just a
the
10
train
minutes
leave?
walk how far is the
It's
school
left
from here
At
it's about 2
5:30
miles
p.m.
away
When
how long the
does the
movie
train
is
leave?
quite long nearly 3
The train
hours
departs in an hour.
how come you
When
just call
does
me
the train leave?
my phone battery first
10
how come you
minutes
just call me
ago.
I lost track I'm
When
so sorry
does the train leave?
what's your
It
name
leaves
people call me
at
this time
5:30 p.m. When does the train leave?
how carefully drive at night
The train departs
Um,
in an hour. When does the train leave? It left 10
follow
minutes ago.
I follow track to
When
shine
does
how
the
far the
train
school
leave?
from here
The train
There's
departs
probably an
it
hour's
left
drive. How
at
often you
5:30
exercise? I
p.m.
exercise
When does
every day. How long is the movie? The movie lasts. Yes, for 90
leave?
minutes.
The train
Minutes.
in an hour.
How
When
slow
does
does this
the
time move?
train
Because
leave?
it must stay with tired faces. How many
10 minutes ago.
Love dollar this
When
night.
does
Wallet.
the train leave?
Wallet.
It leaves at 5:30 p.m. When
How
does
quickly
the
can you
train leave?
breakfast?
The train departs
I finish
in
breakfast
an
in
hour.
5 minutes.
When does the train
Quickly
leave?
can you breakfast? I wait
It
a
left
on the
10 minutes ago. When does
I
the
still
train
before
leave?
leaving home. How much money do you have? I
It
sleep
left
cash
at
only causes.
5:30 p.m.
What kind of
When
music
does
you
the train
like
leave? The train departs in an hour. When does the train leave?
quickly can you
It left
breakfast?
10 minutes
breakfast
ago.
in 5 minutes.
When does the train
The
leave?
teacher message me
It
the
left
thing.
5:30 p.m. When
Where
does
to
the
live? I
train
live
leave?
in a Timothy City. Half an
The train
exercise
departs
twice a week.
in
Half an you
an
exercise.
hour. When
Half
does
an
the
you
train
but I'm
leave?
too
It
lazy.
left
How did today?
Chèn link vào email là nhảy với lại cái số nha
10 minutes ago.
how did you
When does the train leave? It leaves
I need to
at
try it,
5:30 p.m. When does the train leave? The train departs in an hour. When does the
How
train
did you
leave?
lay?
It
I'm feeling great.
leaves 10
On your
minutes
birthday,
before.
November 21st, how many books here? Yeah, some $50
What time?
is in my wallet.
What kind?
How careful you are at
What
night.
time do you wake up? I usually wake up
Night.
at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up on weekends?
At night.
Wake up
Check my
around 9
education from the virtual
a.m.
party and vice
What
versa.
time do you wake
How
up?
careful practice night.
It depends on
I
my
can both handle wheel. In the virtual party and vice versa.
what
How
time
did
do you
today?
wake up?
I'm feeling great. How
I
long the movie?
usually wake
It's
up
up to 2 hours
at
long.
10 at 6
How many books here?
a.m. What
in my
time do you
wallet.
wake up on
Where do you live? I live in a different city.
weekends? I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends
How old are you?
on my
I just
schedule.
not school. Why you let me the train?
What time do you wake up?
Yeah,
I usually wake up at 6
Why did you late?
a.m. What time do you wake up on weekends? I wake up around 9 a.m.
How much
What
money
time
do
do
you have?
you
I have
wake
some
up?
$50 bills in my
It
wallet.
depends
How
on
much
my
money do you have? I have some
schedule.
$50 bills in my
What
wallet.
time do you wake
Who's
up?
the teacher? My
I
boss.
usually wake
Oh.
up at 6
What
a.m.
time is it?
What time do you
Almost
wake
morning.
up on weekends? I wake up around 9
How old are you?
a.m.
I'm 11
What
years
time
old.
do you wake up?
When your
It
birthday,
depends
November
on my
21st, where do you live in Ho Chi Minh City?
What
How old
time
are
do you
you?
wake up? I usually wake
I
up
just,
at 6
11 years
a.m.
old.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I just
I wake up
11
around
kết thúc
9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends on my schedule. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up on weekends? I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends on my schedule. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up on weekends? I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? Depends. It depends on my schedule. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? On weekends, I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends on my schedule. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up? On weekends, I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends on my schedule. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you wake up?
The train leaves
And weekends
It
are I wake up around
9:30 p.m.
a.m. What
the
time do you
train
wake up?
leaves
It depends
The train
on my
departs
schedule.
in
What
an
time do you
hour.
wake up? I usually
When
wake up at
The
6
train leaves
a.m. What time do you wake up? On weekends, I wake up around 9 a.m. What time do you wake up? It depends
when
on my
the
schedule.
train leaves
What time do you wake up? I usually
9:30 p.m.
wake up
When
at
the
6
train
a.m.
leaves, the
What
train
time do you wake
departs
up on
in
weekends?
an hour.
I wake up
When
around
does
9
the train
a.m.
leave?
What
It
time
left
do you wake
10
up?
minutes ago.
It depends on my schedule.
When
What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
when
What
the,
time do
the
you wake
train
up on
leaves,
weekends?
it leaves
I wake
at
up around 9 a.m.
5:30
What time
p.m.
do you wake
when
up? It depends on my
train leaves.
schedule.
The train departs